Let's start with the riddle. By the time you realize I'm there, the damage has already been done. I can come from many things, whether it be from chemicals or the sun. Though the immune system is formidable, the battle against me generally can't be won. What am I? Either this riddle has you very confused, or you picked up on the clues and solved the riddle. Hi, my name is Rohan, live on the Healthy Human podcast. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the deadliest diseases known to mankind, cancer, and how it has affected society at large, both within the scientific and physical world. What is cancer? Well, cancer is a disease in which mutated cells divide uncontrollably, spreading towards surrounding areas of cells and destroying body tissue. Changes in the DNA sections of the genes cause the cells to turn from normal cells into malignant cancer-spreading cells. Cancer develops in 4 stages. During stage 1, cancer has started to develop in a small area that can be found anywhere around the body. The place where it starts to develop is most likely what it is named for. For example, if cancer starts in the lungs, it is called lung cancer. During stage 2, the cancer has started to grow, but hasn't spread anywhere yet. During these first 2 stages, it is particularly harder to identify certain types of cancer because they don't show any visible signs or symptoms, therefore doctors won't suspect anything until it gets worse. During stage 3, cancer has started to spread more while branching out towards nearby clusters of tissues. During stage 4, cancer has started to spread past the original organ of infection into other organs of the body. During stage 4, it is relatively harder to treat this, and generally this is when most people are diagnosed as terminally ill. Though this disease may seem like it leads to inevitable death, there are treatment options available. A lot of people, when thinking of treatment options, tend to think of chemotherapy. But what exactly is chemotherapy? Well, chemotherapy is a drug treatment option in which powerful chemicals target cells that look like cancer and attempt to kill them. Besides this, there are other treatment options for cancer, like radiation therapy, in which high doses of radiation are used to target cancer cells and shrink tumors. Though these treatment options are generally effective, they have some severe side effects in some way. Through chemotherapy, most people tend to lose their hair because chemotherapy has a hard time differentiating between what is cancer and what is not. While in radiation therapy, people suffer from some negative side effects such as fatigue and nausea, as well as changes to their skin. These methods also only serve as a defense for so long. In the end, these treatment options stop working the way they're supposed to, which allows cancer to continue spreading. In fact, most cancers can actually adapt to these drugs and develop resistance to them, allowing them to grow stronger than they were before. On top of that, due to the multitude of cancers, the way they change over time, it is hard to develop a drug that will permanently get rid of them. However, we should not fret in light of this. Right now, scientists are working on developing the next generation of cancer drugs. These drugs, along with many other treatment options, will hopefully end cancer once and for all. A lot of you who are listening to this may have been personally affected by cancer. I know I have. It is important to acknowledge that wherever you are, you can find support for this matter. There are a lot of resources both online and even at your local library about cancer and where one can seek help. Again, this has been Rohan, live on the Healthy Human podcast. Be sure to tune into next episode where I'm going to be interviewing people in healthcare positions. Remember, once more, happiness is the product of good health.